this dal gonna be tasty. Dalgona.
Coffee.
Yes. Darling, I'm home. There's never a dal moment with home food. Take any movie name, replace दिल with दाल. दाल तो पागल है, फिर दाल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
346 minutes later.
दाल चाहता है, दाल दाल हो गया अभी क्या?
It all started when our Guju grandfather married our Goan grandmother around 60 years ago.
Not only did they break the shackles of a rather conservative society,
But they also broke all the shackles when it came to food.
from prawn curry rice,
To Undiyu Puri.
this is our food journey.
Hi, this is Aman.
This is Alok.
And we are the Goan Gujus. Hello guys, welcome to episode 6 of the Goan Gujus. As usual, Alok.
Hello people, how are you doing?
Today's episode is a little special. I say special because I think the two stars of today's episodes, the two dishes that we're
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop
not us, the two dishes that we are going to taste are the most common things I think that we'll find in any Indian household when it comes to food. We are going to taste two very interesting dals today. One is the Gujarati Meetha dal and the other one is the Goan dal, which is made using coconut. Do you want to enlighten our viewers about how these dals are generally made and what is the differentiating factor mainly?
Well, all I will say is that without dal, there is no Indian food.
Oh,
I can also go on and say that dal is the pulse of India.
No Indian meal is complete without dal. And every household in every state will have their own version of a dal, right? What is it that makes these two dals, stand out from the other dals that we get everywhere?
So, firstly, the recipe of the dal is very secretive because it's full of spice. So, the dal that we make at home is the Gujarati dal. It's got good in it, which is jaggery.
Okay.
It's the sweetening agent.
So that is why it is meetha. So
Yes.
It's not sugar, it's jaggery.
It's jaggery that gives the sweetness.
Okay.
And the Goan dal is made with coconut.
Okay. And I see that there is kokum in both the dals.
Yes, हमारी दाल में कुछ काला है.
Literally कुछ काला है हमारी दाल में. The kokum is like a souring agent,
Yeah,
right?
so kokum is grown right from Gujarat all the way to Kerala.
Right.
So it is
Common.
native to the Konkan belt. Okay, so in Gujarat also they use kokum in every Gujarati dal. Same thing with the Goan dal. The difference is that the Gujaratis use a dried variation of the kokum.
Okay.
So it's a dried kokum,
Okay.
whereas we use the wet one, the fresh one.
Okay. So without wasting any more time, should we start tasting the food?
Yeah, we can do that.
Chalo. So, okay, let me taste the Gujarati dal first and you taste the
You
Goan
can
dal.
tell the viewers क्या दाल गल गई है.
Even I didn't understand that joke, guys. So, I mean, if you understood what that joke was, please mention it in the comments below. Okay. So, right off the bat, the Gujarati dal is known to be sweet, right? That is the distinguishing factor. That is what makes the Gujarati dal different from all the other dals. when you have the first bite of this dal, it is very evident. You can taste the sweetness immediately. But along with the sweetness, what you also kind of get is the spice. I think they put what, lal chili, red chili powder,
Red
and
chili, haldi.
right? I think coriander powder.
The spice that you are tasting is from the tempering of the dal.
Yeah, I think hing flavor I think is very prominent, right, in this.
Yeah.
So I think when it comes to the flavor of this dal, it's again a mixed bag in the sense that a lot of flavors are going on. You taste the sweetness from the jaggery, you taste the spice from the various spices that have been used, turmeric, red chili powder, the tempering of the jeera,
Mustard, jeera,
and
mustard.
the mustard seed. Hing. The good thing about this dal is that you taste each and every ingredient that is being put. It's not that one ingredient kind of stands out. Correct?
It's the amalgamation
it's
of
the amalgamation, the combined flavor is what makes this dal what it is.
True.
What do you think about the Goan dal?
The Goan dal has got a very strong flavor of onions in it. Okay, and it's much more richer in
I think
taste.
the tempering is onions. They temper this dal with onions
Yes,
only, right?
they fry the dal with onions and coconut. That's the distinguishing factor between the two.
Okay.
And yeah, it's full of masala.
Again, very Goan. Like you
Yeah,
take
very
a bite
Goan.
and you kind of are
You are transported to Goa. True.
So a little bit of ghee, a little bit of sabzi. If you like achar, you can have some achar along with it. And I think that combination of just having dal, rice, ghee, achar and sabzi, each and every person who is born and brought up in India will relate to that, because that is the most common household food that you can have. The most common home cooked food that you can have in India.
True.
Should we start?
So do you know what happened once a potato was interrogated by the police? After 3 hours of torture, he said, "मैं बताता हूँ."
On that note, I'm going to start eating. Goan dal, please. Okay, I'm going to go straight into it with my hands, because that is the only way I feel in which you can have dal rice. No spoon and stuff, please. Like Alok said, like when you have this dal, I'm totally transported back to Goa.
It would taste very good with kap.
Amazing, yeah. You can actually pair this dal with the carb that we showed in the previous episode. You should try that, guys.
And this with the maru bhajiya.
So
And have chas and tiwal along with it.
you see how everything is just tying up in all our episodes. Everything is planned.
Everything was planned.
So that is it for this episode of the Goan Good Juice. I hope you liked this episode. We actually had quite a debate when you were deciding on what to kind of feature in this episode. We thought that the dal would be like a very simple thing to show, but I think because it is so simple, that is why people would relate with it also, we hope. We are again going to mention the recipes of both the dals in the description below. Please have a look. If you guys find it interesting, please try it and let us know in the comments how you like it. Also, please like, subscribe, share without fail.
And it's not over lentil, it's over.
On that note, peace out.
Keep eating.
बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है
ये रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं किया
पूरा